Your friends aren't going to come camping in this one. We're back in the action. I was just kidding about that. This one does have a dinette that makes into another sleeping space there. So you can sleep 3 in this one. Welcome back to Stop On Yellow RVing. I got the 2027 Jayco Jay Flight 130 RD here today. Rear dinette, camper meant for 2, maybe 3. So yeah, this is a great little unit. It's only 16 foot overall, 13 foot box on it. This is also the Jayco Jay Flight's 25th anniversary. So Jayco's been around a long time. They build a pretty solid trailer, and this is what a 2027 looks like. Pop the door on it. Like I said, you're 16 feet 1 inch overall, and you're 2,570 pounds dry weight. So you're towable by a ton of different SUVs and trucks and everything like that, but you will need an electric brake controller. Give me a pan through the inside just starting out. Up front, you've got your bed here. I think this is in between like a queen and a full size, so sleep 2 here. And you do have your dinette back here for 2. This will drop down and make 1 more bed. You do have this window right over the dinette, which is nice. You can sit here in the morning, have your coffee, look outside at your campsite and everything. And then when you don't want to see the outside, you've got these pull down blackout shades there. Storage right up above the dinette. So lots of good storage in here. I think you even have storage under the dinette too. Yep, so that's all storage down there. I think it's the same on the other side too. No, this one's closed off, so no storage under that side, but you do have this little knick-knack shelf right here, which is pretty cool. You've got a microwave here. So decent sized microwave. Definitely fits your hot pockets and everything in there. Little storage, maybe pantry area here. And then you do have your mini fridge down below with the little ice box there. Right below that is going to be your furnace. Coming over to your kitchenette area here. Good storage over here as well. So you got your 2-burner cooktop there. Up top you got some more storage here. Then you got your sink plumbed right in your gray water tank. And storage drawers right over this way. So good amount of storage. Looking down below, you've got your converter, circuits and breakers there. Side mount, window AC here. Storage right up above the bed, and also storage under the bed. You can see it's nice plywood bases in here. There is spots to put a TV, so you can hang your TV right on the wall here. You've got backers in the wall for it. And then down below you've got outlets, coax, so cable. And you've got your USB A and C there. Over this way, we'll go towards your bathroom, but first is going to be your tank check and battery check here. Water pump turn on and off. And then here is your bathroom area here. So you've got your foot flush toilet there, and then you do have a stand-up shower in here. So it's a little tight, but you know, it's a small 16-foot total camper. I'm about 6 foot tall, so I do kind of have to stand in the little skylight area there. Probably be a little bit better if I open up that. Now it feels a little bit more airy and open. If you guys have made it this far in the video, please like and subscribe. And then right outside your shower is your Suburban on-demand hot water heater control. So you turn this on, you set your call temperature, and it makes your hot water. That's a pretty good overview of the inside here. Give you one little last pan through. It's a small space, but definitely gives you everything that you need. And they do make a version of this with bunk beds called the 130 BH Jay Flight Sport. So I did do another video on that, so keep an eye out for that. Coming on the outside, you've got a power awning with the LED light strip right under it. And let's see if we can pop this out for you a little bit. Hit that button there. And the awning does come out. Tinted windows on it, so good for privacy during the day. And then you do have single axle, and then these are 14-inch Rainier tires on it. Yeah, cool, sharp little camper. Nice bright interior to it. Coming around the back, you do have 2 stabilizers down there to stabilize the camper when you're set up. Ladder prep there. This is the back of your water heater. This is why you don't have storage under that other dinette seat there, because your water heater's down there. City water connection and your furnace exhaust there. Coming around the side of it, you got your sewer offshoot there for your gray and black tank. Cable input there, and 30 amp power cord hookup right over here. And then that's for your fresh tank fill. Even got like the little gutters coming off the side, directing the rainwater away. Front of it, you've got your corrugated aluminum with the diamond shield down there, which is really nice. Protect you from all those rocks kicking up on the road. Manual tongue jack, 20-pound propane bottle, and spot for up to 2 batteries there. Pretty nice unit overall. I think that about does it for this little camper here. Appreciate you guys watching today. It's been Alex with Stop on Yellow RV. Thank you for checking this out. Subscribe, follow along for more. Check out the short form content too. Thank you.